The 2025 MANSORY Audi RS Q8 is more than just a luxury SUV, it's a bold declaration of automotive dominance. At its core, the RS Q8 already offers jaw-dropping performance with Audi's engineering mastery, but MANSORY takes this high-performance beast and elevates it to an entirely new realm of style, aggression, and sheer power. The transformation begins with a full carbon fiber treatment that reshapes the entire visual identity of the RS Q8. From the reimagined front fascia with aggressively sculpted air intakes to the massive rear diffuser and a carbon wing, every line is sharpened for maximum impact. MANSORY's signature craftsmanship is evident in every detail, giving the RS Q8 an intimidating, futuristic stance that turns heads before it even roars to life. The 24-inch forged wheels add to its commanding presence, pushing the boundaries of what a performance SUV should look like. Under the hood, MANSORY has reworked the already potent twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 to unleash even more fury. The stock RS Q8 already delivers 591 horsepower, but with MANSORY's upgrades, this figure soars beyond 780 horsepower, transforming the SUV into a true supercar killer. The torque is equally mind-blowing, resulting in breathtaking acceleration that makes 0 to 60 miles per hour feel like a blink. The MANSORY performance exhaust system not only boosts output but also gives the RS Q8 an aggressive sound signature that growls and crackles with every throttle input. Driving this machine isn't just a commute, it's an event. The upgraded suspension and aerodynamics ensure the vehicle remains composed at high speeds, carving through corners with surprising agility for a car of its size and stature. Step inside, and the interior is equally breathtaking. MANSORY doesn't just focus on power and looks, the cabin is a luxurious haven of carbon fiber, alcantara, and hand-stitched leather. Every surface has been refined to match the aggressive exterior, yet it remains unmistakably Audi with its intuitive infotainment and digital cockpit. The steering wheel, dashboard, center console, and even the seats have been meticulously customized to fit the new personality of the RS Q8. This is not just a vehicle, it's an experience crafted for those who demand exclusivity and precision in every aspect of their drive. The ambient lighting, unique trims, and attention to detail create an atmosphere that feels both sporty and opulent, a balance only MANSORY can strike so effectively. MANSORY's treatment of the RS Q8 also focuses on exclusivity. This isn't a car you'll see on every corner, it's a rare beast, designed for a very specific type of driver. The customization options are nearly limitless, with buyers able to choose unique paint schemes, interior finishes, and performance enhancements tailored to their preferences. Each RS Q8 by MANSORY becomes a one-of-a-kind statement, a blend of raw power and elite craftsmanship. It is as much about personal expression as it is about performance. For collectors and enthusiasts, owning a MANSORY RS Q8 means joining a very exclusive club, a symbol of taste, success, and a passion for pushing limits beyond the ordinary. In a world where most SUVs strive for comfort or utility, the 2025 MANSORY Audi RS Q8 exists to redefine what's possible in a luxury performance vehicle. It is a masterclass in blending brutal strength with refined luxury, created for those who refuse to settle for average. This car commands respect not only for what it can do on the road, but for what it represents, a fusion of art, engineering, and emotion. With every detail crafted to perfection and performance figures that rival supercars, the MANSORY RS Q8 is not just the future of luxury SUVs, it's a fearless embodiment of power and prestige, setting a benchmark that others can only hope to follow.